Okay, so having made things manifold and having remeshed, there's still a number of issues to consider. I'm going to start with some low-hanging fruit and actually look at the intersecting faces. So if we select intersecting faces, it'll highlight some of them, and we can zoom in on them, take a little peek. And it appears that in a number of these cases, if I just zoom in right here, I have a situation where I've got these merged vertices, or these double vertices that are in very close proximity to each other. Now, earlier on, a couple of videos ago, I did do a merge vertices. However, I think the proximity that I selected, the default proximity, maybe wasn't close enough. So I wonder if just doing that again helps to fix some of that problem. So I'm going to do an A to select all. I'm going to push M to merge by distance. Down here in the corner, I've got the little options that have popped up. I'm going to select the arrow, and I'm going to just make that number bigger. Let's do this as, just try 0.1 and see what we get. Okay? And again, just kind of peeking at things. If I do my intersecting faces, there they are, right? Let's check all. Nothing appears to, oh wait, hold on a second. All right, 29 intersecting faces. So it did actually improve the situation, but maybe not enough. Let's just play around with this for a second. All right. Yep. All right, so let's just play with this a little bit more, and maybe instead of 0.1, let's try 0.3. See what that does for us. And let's check all again. All right, much better. 6 intersecting faces. So we'll take that as a win. I'm going to select the intersecting faces and see if I can't find them. Oh, there we go. There's an intersecting face. So we still seem to have the same problem. If I kind of zoom in here on the couple that are left, there's only a few to fix. So I think what I'm going to do here is I'll just select those two vertices. I will push M to merge at center. And now if we do a check all again, let's see what happens. All right, look at that. So I am going to stop here, and then I will go and find the last set or two of intersecting faces, and then we will move on to some of the other issues that we're having.